If you're managing diabetes, you know how important it is to keep your blood sugar levels in check. This video reveals 3 powerful herbs that have been scientifically proven to support healthy blood sugar management naturally. We've included links to the research so you can see the evidence for yourself. Could one of these natural remedies be the missing piece in your diabetes management plan? Keep watching to find out. 1. Cinnamon, the sweet solution for blood sugar. Cinnamon does more than just add flavor to your favorite treats. It actually improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells. It also slows down the conversion of carbs to glucose, preventing those post-meal sugar spikes. But the benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon can also protect nerves. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, cinnamon can help prevent nerve damage associated with high blood sugar. Boost brain function. Studies suggest cinnamon may improve cognitive function and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Enhance fertility and libido. Cinnamon can help balance hormones and improve blood circulation, which benefits both fertility and libido. Support kidney health. By lowering blood sugar and blood pressure, cinnamon helps protect your kidneys from damage. Improve heart health. Cinnamon can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, raise good cholesterol, HDL, and improve circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Reduce inflammation and pain. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can help ease joint pain and muscle soreness. Important note, most commercially available cinnamon is cassia cinnamon, which contains coumarin, a compound that can be toxic in high doses. It's crucial to choose Ceylon cinnamon, which has significantly lower coumarin levels and is safe for regular consumption. How to use cinnamon. Cinnamon water, mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder or 1 cinnamon stick in warm water and let it steep. Cinnamon tea. Simmer a cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in water. Added to drinks. Stir Ceylon cinnamon powder into coffee, tea, or smoothies. Combined with apple cider vinegar, mix 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water. In cooking, add cinnamon to savory dishes like stews, roasts, and vegetables. Cinnamon supplements. If you choose a supplement, look for Ceylon cinnamon, a standardized extract, 500 to 1200 milligrams daily, and third-party testing for purity. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you are taking diabetes medication. 2. Fenugreek, a fiber-rich blood sugar regulator. Fenugreek is a powerful herb packed with soluble fiber, amino acids, and compounds that improve insulin function. It's particularly effective at slowing carbohydrate absorption. Fenugreek's high soluble fiber content forms a gel in the stomach, slowing digestion and preventing blood sugar spikes. Improving insulin release. Fenugreek contains compounds that help the pancreas release insulin more efficiently. Protecting nerves. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help protect nerves from damage. Boosting brain function. Fenugreek may improve memory and focus, enhancing fertility and libido. Fenugreek can help regulate hormones and improve blood flow. Supporting kidney health. Fenugreek helps reduce inflammation and supports kidney function. Protecting the liver. Fenugreek may help reduce fat buildup and oxidative damage in the liver. Improving heart health. Fenugreek can lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides, easing joint and muscle pain. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce stiffness and swelling. How to use fenugreek. Fenugreek water. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning. Fenugreek tea, boil fenugreek seeds in water, strain, and drink. Added to drinks. Mix ground fenugreek seeds into coffee, tea, or smoothies, combined with apple cider vinegar. Mix fenugreek powder with apple cider vinegar and water. In cooking, add fenugreek powder to spice rubs, stews, and curries. Fenugreek supplements. Look for a standardized extract with at least 20% 4-hydroxyisoleucine, 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Consult your doctor before taking fenugreek supplements, especially if you are on diabetes. Medication. 3. Berberine, the metabolic master. Switch. Berberine is a natural compound that activates AMPK, an enzyme that plays a key role in metabolism. This activation leads to improved insulin sensitivity. Berberine helps your cells use glucose more efficiently. Reduced liver glucose production. Berberine helps prevent the liver from releasing excess glucose into the bloodstream. Nerve protection. Berberine can help protect nerves from damage. Weight loss. Berberine can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Improved gut health. Berberine can help balance gut bacteria. Enhanced fertility and hormone balance. Berberine can help regulate insulin and hormones, particularly in women with PCOS. Improved heart health, though. Berberine can lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides. How to use berberine. Berberine is typically taken as a supplement. The recommended dosage is 900 to 1,500 milligrams per day. Divide into 3 doses, 300 to 500 milligrams, taken before meals. Berberine supplements. Look for berberine HCl or a standardized berberine extract. Consult your doctor before taking berberine, especially if you are on diabetes medication. Start with a lower dose to avoid potential digestive side effects. Important note: while these herbs offer promising benefits for blood sugar management, they should be used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diabetes management plan, especially before adding any new supplements.